tomato wine. Can it be made? Is it a thing? Have you tried it before? If so, let me know, because I haven't heard of anyone making it before. We are breaking new territory here. Tinned tomato wine. I'm going to fly through this recipe ever so quickly, because this is just the same recipe as the passata wine, and the link to that recipe is up by here, so have a look. The only difference I'm making from passata wine is using 4 tins of chopped tomatoes, a tablespoon of dried basil, and some high alcohol yeast, as chosen by my son. So, I'm going to fly through this. It's going to be in under 2 minutes, so I hope you enjoy. If you want more information about the recipe, go and watch the passata tomato wine recipe up by here. It's worth watching, it'll give you a lot more detail and information, but this is just to say you can make tinned tomato wine. I'll be doing a taste test and comparison between the two, passata and tinned tomato wine, when they're both ready. So come on then, let's start with it. And there we have it, tinned tomato wine. It can be done, simple recipe, give it a try. The full recipe in more detail is up by here in the link with my tomato passata wine. Give it a go and tell me down below in the comments, what do you think? You going to try it? Have you tried it? Do you like it? And I'll see you again soon. Cheers.